Alright, this is an update for my Roku. Put it on my grandfather's living room TV, because I'm still staying with him, unfortunately. Not using my Note 3 because I got a new phone, because my Note 3 couldn't make fucking phone calls anymore, because T-Mobile's full of shit. Basically, they're updating their towers. My phone didn't work anymore, because it's like 5 years old. So I got a new phone. It's, the only thing I could afford was the Rebel, plus it's a fucking pain in the ass. So, Roku works fine. Picture quality's pretty good. This is Crackle. Hang on, let's see if I can get this to focus a little more. So, the only problem I've noticed, yes, I have Pornhub. If you're wondering why I have the NRA TV, it's because people on Twitter, calling it for it to be banned for some stupid reason. I've never watched NRA TV and decided to see what the fuck it was about, and it is horseshit. They basically just talk shit all day long, and it's almost as bad as Fox News. Here's an idea: instead of getting it banned, just don't fucking watch it. So anyways, the only thing I've noticed wrong with the Roku Premier Plus, which is the model I have, it's the 2016 model, is occasionally, when I go into Pluto, it freezes and then crashes my Roku. Occasionally. It's only happened like 3 times, and I've had this thing for a month. The other problem is with this remote here. Sorry, the lighting sucks. Occasionally the remote will stop working for some reason, and I have to remove the batteries and reinsert the batteries for it to work properly. Other than that, Roku works fine. Apps start up pretty quickly. I can watch all my TV. I don't have to really worry about anything. It's got a quad-core processor in it, so it's pretty quick. It's not the fastest thing on the market, but I'm sure there's faster things out there, but for what it does, it's fucking worth it. What's not worth it is this fucking piece of shit channel, which is complete bullshit. I'm not saying Roku should ban the channel, but anyone that watches this, I seriously would like to know why. This channel sucks ass. They don't even talk about guns half the time, they're just talking out their ass. Today some jackass was talking about some leopard print, some sort of jacket he was wearing. Is fucking stupid. So, it's just bullshit. I mean, if you look at the free channels, and I absolutely love this about Roku in general, is, they have content from, like, Italy, so if I spoke Italian, which my grandfather does, I probably should learn, but never got around to it. They have channels from various languages and whatnot, in case you want to watch that shit. Plenty of 4K. There's a 1080p TV, so I'm not really giving a shit about that right now. This is also fucking stupid. Why did YouTube make a television service? Redbox equally is stupid. Why? Ooh, Adult Swim. Did not notice they had this. I will gladly replace the bullshit NRA channel for Adult Swim, because Adult Swim fucking rules. So, you got like a bunch of free channels and shit. Fun fact about DirecTV is, if you use Firefox, which I do, I will not use Google Chrome or anything else. DirecTV now will not allow you to use Firefox, so this Roku actually did come with a free trial of DirecTV Now, and I never signed up for the free trial because it won't let me use Firefox, so fuck AT&T. PlayStation View's expensive, I don't have the money for it, so fuck it. I have HBO, though. I like how Xfinity's still in beta 2 months later. I've only had the thing for a month, but apparently Xfinity's been around longer. Whoever watches this and is an asshole, Fox News is trash. CNN is equally trash. You need a cable subscription for this, as well as Nick. In fact, that's one thing I always hated about cutting the cord, is certain things you do need a cable subscription. Sci-Fi, for example, Cartoon Network, and Disney. I'm using my cousin's ex-husband's cable. And if you press star, that takes you to this menu. And you can move the channel. So you can adjust this any way you want. I'm going to put that right next to Cartoon Network. Because Adult Swim and Cartoon Network are basically the same thing. But yeah, I'm very happy, and I got a free trial on this from T-Mobile. Thanks T-Mobile for fucking nothing. This channel's dog shit. This one, by the way, you have to get a code for, and I do pay for premium, which is $10 a month. I can stream videos and shit I have on my phone through this is called Allcast, which is pretty cool. I'm not going to do it right now, fuck it. But yeah, basically the only problems I've had is occasionally with Pluto it'll freeze up my Roku and crash it. And occasionally I have to remove the batteries from this stupid fucking remote because the remote ceases to work. I'm not sure if it's a software glitch or what the fuck's going on, but that is the update on my Roku Premiere Plus, which is right there. It's a fun little streaming service. It's better than paying fucking Comcast hundreds of fucking dollars for, shit tons of channels you will never watch because it's all bullshit. I'm not sure how much these are on Amazon right now, but I would recommend getting something from Roku, particularly one with a quad-core processor to make it a little faster. I personally didn't need one with, the remote finder and the fucking gaming button. This isn't a fucking game console. I don't want a Roku with fucking game function. I don't want any streaming box with a fucking game function. If I want something with a fucking game function, I'll buy a PS3 and watch Netflix through that, for fuck's sake. That's just fucking stupid. Save your money. Just buy a Premiere Plus from 2016. Or just buy the newest one with the fucking game bullshit and don't play games on your fucking Roku. That's fucking retarded. But anyways, this is my update. So if you do get a Roku Premiere Plus 2016 model, just know occasionally certain applications like Pluto will freeze it and crash it and it will reset itself. And occasionally the remote, you have to take the batteries out because the remote stops working. And yes, it's a pain in the ass occasionally, but it's something I can put up with if it means I don't have to pay Comcast a shit ton of fucking money. Thank you for watching, and fuck off. I'm going to go watch TV now.